how to find drafts on Instagram. The first things first, we'll have to create a picture and we're going to save it under our drafts. So just simply press on the plus icon right here in the center of the phone. Choose any photo you want. Tap on next. Next. Let's try to add some filters in it. So once you go back, so let's try to add filters. Edit. Done. Okay, so once you go all the way back, you can choose to start over, save draft, or keep editing. So all you have to do is just tap on save draft. Now once that was successful, all you have to do is to close everything and then go to your profile located at the lower right portion of your screen. And then below here, you can see grid lines, your reels, and then your post right here. So all I have to do is just go to the center part of these options, which is your reels. Scroll down, just refresh the page, and here you'll be able to see the draft, the specific draft that we just edited earlier. So that's it. This is how you find drafts on Instagram.